ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 34 Subform Wizard. A main/subform can be created from two existing forms without using the form wizard. Create both forms in the normal way, choose one as the main form, and use the Subform/Subreport button to add the other as a subform. Okay, so let's open the Computer Shop database. There are two forms that have already been created. A computer data entry form, which will be the main form, and a repairs subform, which will become the subform. So let's start with opening the computer data entry form in Design View. And on the Design tab, expand the Controls Group display by clicking More. Make sure the Use Control Wizards option is turned on, and if necessary, click the option. Click on the Subform/Subreport button, which is this one here, and position the mouse under the address field, and then click once. When the Subform Wizard appears, choose the Use an Existing Form option, and from the list ensure Repairs Subform is highlighted. Then click Next. Select Choose from a list and show repairs for each record in computers using serial number. Then click Next. The name for the subform is Repairs Subform. OK, click Finish to create the subform. Now let's save the form and then let's look at it in Form View. Move through the computer records using the record navigation buttons at the bottom of the screen until we display record T2457. Using the subform navigation buttons, move through the jobs for this computer. Switch to Design View so that we can resize the subform. OK, if we now save the form and then close the database. OK, we've now finished Lesson 34. We've looked at subform wizards, and in the next lesson, Lesson 35, we'll be looking at manual techniques to design forms. OK, I hope this is still making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.